Hi, it's Marla from marlameredith.com, and today I'm making a delicious spaghetti squash with ham, peas, and cream sauce. What I love most about this recipe is that I've cut out the pasta and instead I'm using spaghetti squash as the base. So let's talk about cutting spaghetti squash. A lot of people find this really scary and cumbersome. I don't take a big knife like this and just start cutting into it. What I do instead is super easy. I'm just gonna poke a bunch of holes into the squash. Pierce it all over. And this will allow the steam to vent when I microwave it. So after you've pierced your squash, you're gonna put it on a plate and microwave for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's soft enough for you to cut into. Then you're gonna let it cool. Once the squash is cool, you can now cut into it. Look how easy that is, guys. Look at what we've got inside. Spaghetti. So now I'm gonna just pull out the seeds, discard them, and pull out all the spaghetti and put it right here into this bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some olive oil into our spaghetti squash. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper and toss. And now we're gonna cut some shallot. I'm gonna go ahead and chop 5 ounces of ham into thin slices. So we've got our chopped shallot and 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm gonna add them to the pan, and in here I just have a few tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna cook these a few minutes so that they become soft and fragrant. So our shallots are looking great. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to low and add heavy cream and some white wine. Do add the white wine because it really gives it that gorgeous Italian flavor. We're just gonna reduce this sauce over the low heat for about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add our peas. You can use frozen peas in this recipe or fresh. And I've got our ham, 5 ounces. Go ahead and mix that all together. And our sauce has reduced nicely. It's getting nice and thick. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of ground nutmeg. Nutmeg goes really, really nicely with winter squash. And then a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I'm just gonna cook that for a minute or so. This smells so good, you guys. Bo, does it smell good? And now we're gonna add the spaghetti squash to the skillet. We're just gonna fold in the spaghetti squash, make sure it's all covered in the sauce. And once it's all hot and mixed well, we can eat it. So that could not be easier to prepare. Now dinner is served. I'm gonna top our spaghetti squash with some Parmesan and a little bit of Italian parsley. For more details on this delicious recipe, head over to marlameredith.com.